and welcome. And today I'm going to put you through on how to open a Risevest account from abroad. So a lot of you in the diaspora has been asking whether you can use Risevest while living outside Nigeria. Good news, you can. Let's go through it. Step 1. Download the app. Head to the Google Play Store or App Store. Then you click on the search engine and input Risevest. After that, you can download the app and successfully install the app. Step 2. Sign up and select your country. When you sign up, the app will ask you to select your country. Risevest operates in multiple countries, so you pick wherever you are currently based. Step 3. Provide a valid government issued ID. To open an account on Rise, you need a valid government issued ID in any country where Risevest operates. So depending on where you are, you will upload whatever valid ID accepted in that country. Step 4. Complete BVN verification. Now, this part is very important. Users in Nigeria must complete BVN verification. But if you are in Nigeria abroad but still have a Nigeria BVN, you will likely still need to provide it, especially if your plan is to link a Nigeria bank account for withdrawals later. You don't have one yet, you may need to sort that out first. Step 5. Fund your account and start investing. After completing these first 4 steps, you can now fund your account by clicking on wallet section. Then you click on fund. Then you can either fund your Risevest account either by bank transfer, debit card, or direct debit. Assuming you want to fund it using your bank transfer, you click on bank transfer. Now, an account will be provided for you right here. So you have to click either of the account provided for you. Then after making a verification, you can click on I have paid. Then you can fund your account and start investing. You can start investing with any amount. However, Risevest advise a minimum of $10, so you can begin to see significant returns. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to open a Risevest account from abroad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.